Smashers!
Hey, Slimeball. Have you seen the Rechosaurus Rex? Slimeball! Where is everybody? It's time to go trick-or-treating. Oh, there you are, Rex. Let's go. The Aqua Arena is giving out full-sized candy bars for every car we smash. Rex?
Eat tire tread, Dino Driver!
No! Hey! Rex! You almost ran me over!
That's the plan, you prehistoric bum!
Yeah! What? Skeletruck? And the Sharkbite Express? But where are all the drivers?
Destroy all drivers! Destroy all drivers!
Chump! Down here, quick! Ah! The trucks! They're possessed! How? We've crushed so many cars over the years, and now the evil spirits of those junkers have come for revenge! There's nothing we can do! Ah!
Destroy all drivers! Destroy all drivers!
Ah!
Chump! You're awake! That was some wild nightmare you were having.
What? It was all a nightmare? Oh, phew.
Yeah, come on. Let's go trick-or-treating. The Aqua Arena's giving out full-sized chocolate bars for every car we smash.
Oh, good. I love smashing cars.
Happy Halloween from the Smashers.
Smashers!
37 more miles, Chomp. The Sunnytime Highway is the most boring highway in all of Trucktropolis.
I know, Rex. Why would they ever build a road without jump ramps and flaming hoops?
It looks like there's road construction up ahead. Rerouting.
Oh, goody! A detour!
I know we were hoping for something a little more exciting, but this looks like...
My world! It's P.T. Thunderbones and his truck, the bone-rattling Skeletruck. You're in trouble now, Chump! My haunted boneyard loves road construction! It's like a maze of road construction! Oh!
Everywhere we try to go, a new detour pops up!
My skeleton crew will never let you leave! Get 'em, gearheads! U-turn! Yeah! Stop! Whoa! Dead end! I'm so confused!
Chomp, there's no way to get past this bone barricade!
Skeleton crew, dismantle that truck! You're gonna get sold for spare parts! I'm gonna put your computer brain in a golf cart!
No! What are we going to do?
There's nowhere to go but up! Ha! Pop a wheelie, Rex! Blaster burners, now! Woo-hoo! I call this move the Rechosaurus Wrecking Ball! Oops! I'll get you next time! Soon you'll see that I'm the greatest monster truck driver in the entire league! Why wait till next time? Let's settle this right now! Rex, we're heading to Skeletal Stadium.
Smashers!
Thanks for taking me to my grandma's house. Well, she'll really love all this rock climbing gear I got her for her birthday. Rock climbing gear? How old is your grandma? 114! She'll love it! You're, very thoughtful, Roadkill Rat.
Chomp, heat in the demolition desert is exceeding 300 degrees.
Crank that AC, Rex. It's a scorcher out there. Scorpions! Scorching hot scorpions! Scorching scorpions. That's hard to say. Let's call them Scorchies.
I'm sorry, Chump. I'm overheating.
Don't worry, Rex. We'll get help, but I'm not sure from where. Hey, look! Am I seeing things? Oh! Is that an ice cream truck?
Oh, I'm just a nice guy. I'm not a bad guy. Got no secret tricks up my sleeve. Well, howdy, folks. You boys need a helping hand?
Yeah, our truck broke down on the way to Rat's grandma's house.
Well, golly. I'm just a friendly ice cream man out delivering freeze cones on a hot day.
Do you have mint chocolate chip?
Why, sure. Got a whole bunch in here. Hop in the back of my truck and I'll drive you fellers to town.
Okay, thanks. Hey, wait. There's no ice cream in here.
I can't believe you fell for that.
PT Thunderbones! Oh, you crusty carburetor!
You thought you could wreck my ride and get away with it? Now I'm stealing your truck.
No! My grandma's rock climbing gear! This is no time to worry about Nana's birthday.
Eat my dust, Dino Doofus.
No! The rope, Chump! Grab the rope! This is gonna be fun!
This is gonna hurt.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Hey, Rat! I'm sand skiing!
Ah! Oh, you want a little more torment, do you? Hold on! It's gonna be a bumpy ride!
Oh! Oh! Ouchie! Oh!
Chump! Look out for that cavemen!
Yahoo! Swan dive!
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Good luck with the Scorchies, Toasty Bones!
Ah! I'll get you, Chump!
Smashers!
Chump, you've been invited to the Smash-O-Drome to award you a gigantic trophy made of all the cars you've smashed in the Smashers Monster Motor League.
It's all thanks to you, my trusty monster truck, the Wreckosaurus Rex. Huh, where is everybody? Whoa, we're locked in! Something smells fishy, Rex. Yeah!
You got that right, Chumbucket.
Tooth Gnasher, my biggest rival in the league.
Hey! I thought I was your biggest rival!
PT Thunderbones, my oldest rival.
We're taking over your home turf, the Smash-O-Drome.
If you want my turf, you're gonna have to beat me in the Smashers Crash and Bash.
Yay! A classic demolition derby? You're on!
We're gonna crush your truck and your dreams!
The rules of the Crash and Bash are simple. Keep driving the junker car course as long as you can. Last car to crash wins the whole Smash-O-Drome. Drivers ready? Set?
Rex, play my classic Crushers mixtape.
Go!
Keep your pedal to the metal and your eyes on the road. When you see the green light, it's time to explode.
Whoa! Whoa! Pull me up!
Where'd he go?
Get Chump! Na 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 na. I don't know the words here.
There he is! Nowhere to run now! Missed me!
Oops! How about a game of dominoes, Thunderbones?
We're stuck. It's some kind of giant magnet.
You think your truck is tough, Chump? You're no match for my crushing jagged jaws! Say,
Yeah!
I win!
Not so fast! Look! It's going to sneeze! I'm not on the menu tonight.
No! Not me! Chump was supposed to get chumped!
and his truck, Rekosaurus Rex, are still the reigning champions of the Smash-O-Drome!
We're not done with you yet, Chump! The Smash-O-Drome will be ours!
Smashers!
Whoa! Surf's up! Ah! Cowabunga! I thought you were a shark! Oh, right! Sharkabunga! Where's the brakes on this wave?
We're gonna crash!
Whoa! No!
So close to the finish line, and I'm stuck in a traffic pileup. This is embarrassing.
Stuck at sea. It's even more embarrassing for me. I'm a shark.
I've got to get back to the Rekosaurus Rex.
We're stuck. We're going nowhere.
Whoa! We've got to get our trucks free before we're swept out to sea.
Activate the Dino Tail tractor pull.
Pull, Rex!
Help me! I don't want to be crunched! I'm too pretty to be crunched!
Listen, we need to set aside our differences and work together to get all these trucks off this pileup.
Fine, you're right, Chump. We'll work together.
Okay, Rex, initiate the triple tractor pull. I latch onto you two. Then you each latch on to two trucks and so on, and we'll all cross the finish line together. Now pull!
Oh.
Yahoo! So long, suckers!
Boo! Teamwork!
Haha, we both crossed the finish line.
Yeah, we double-crossed you.
No, third place. I never get third.
That sets the final rankings for the league! Our top three contenders will go on to the Smash-O-Drome to compete in the main event, Monster Truck Mayhem!
Smashers!
Incoming message from Tooth Gnasher.
Tooth Gnasher? My arch rival. What does that fin fiend want?
Listen up, Chump the Chump. Meet me on the sludge streets for a street race. Just me versus you. Shark versus Pooh. And you're the Pooh.
I got that.
Winner gets the other race's truck. Unless you dinosaurs really are chickens.
I'll be there, you snarky shark.
The slime pits can cause some slippery racing conditions.
If I want to get the edge on Tooth Gnasher, I'll need some upgrades. I know just a mechanic.
Chump! You old fossil! What brings you to the flood streets?
Looking for gear that can handle the goo.
You came to the right flop shop! I've got the muck to trick out your truck. First, you'll need terror treads. They'll give you traction when you're in action. Woo! And here's my favorite. I've attached the goopling hook. This slime slinger will latch a slime line to anything you shoot at it.
Thanks, Slimeball. I knew you were the glob for the job.
And here's your bill.
Oh, this is... Do you take truck bucks?
You just made that up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't think you'd show. Now eat ocean landlubber.
Tooth Gnasher's not racing fair. Surprise there.
Activate terror treads.
Whoa, way to cut through the goo.
Drat! How about a bump from my fin fenders?
He's going to try to push us off Swampy Swerve. It's PT Thunderbones. Look out!
Chump, you're gonna be skid marks and I'm done with you.
We're headed right for Swampy Swerve.
We're both gonna crash. Ah!
Activate the goopling hook! Fire! Yeah! We did it!
Your truck ought to cover Chump's bill, unless you want to buy it back.
Do you take truck bucks?
Now,
Smashers!
I can't believe that mysterious smasher in the monster train tried to steal our trucks!
And right before the big final competition, Monster Truck Mayhem.
Seems like someone wanted us out of the competition. Then that's exactly where we're going. Smashers, to the Smashodrome!
Welcome, Smashers, to the Smashodrome! It's time for the Grand Championship of the Smashers Monster Motor League, the Monster Truck Mayhem!
That's right, Roadkill Rat. Let's meet our final monster trucks.
Backflipping over the other competitors, it's Chump, T-Rex, and the Rechosaurus Rex!
I never lose, except sometimes.
Spinning in like a typhoon, it's Tooth Masher and the Sharkbot Express!
I also never lose.
And finally, the really scary skeleton with a killer cartwheel! It's P.T. Thunderbolts and Skeletron!
I also never ever lose. Not even once.
Well, that's not all accurate. Let's meet our fourth and final truck. The mysterious monster train driven by Trophus and Turmoil.
Trophus and Turmoil? You tried to steal our trucks?
These guys are the worst.
Let the Monster Truck Mayhem begin!
you think you can defeat me? I am an actual trophy. I always win.
We all think we win every time, but that's not statistically possible. Ah!
I'm gonna hit you like nail, Hammerhead.
Hey, I'm a great white. Oh! Ah!
You Smashers think you're so tough, but I work smarter, not harder. We think dumber and more funner. What? That doesn't even make sense. Your butt doesn't make sense. How do you sit on your brain? Ah! You're giving me a headache. We gotta use our greatest monster truck powers to defeat this monster. Come to me, my legion of undead gearheads! My haunted horde of horror calls you! Hey, you brain-dead brain-eaters! Taste my anti-zombie scare bags!
I call on the typhoons of the seas, the army of sharks, octopi, scary dog, all the marine monsters!
Yeah, have fun sewer surfing.
All the dino drivers, monster truck monsters since the dawn of time! Dino Destructo Devastato Demolition!
Yeah, where's Chump?
Chump! Don't mind if I do.
My counterattack!
That's all you got?
Chump wins!
And the entire stadium's been turned into a parking lot.
But don't worry, folks. Once we rebuild the entire arena, we'll be back for more Smashers Monster Truck Mayhem!
Yeah! Let's go, Smashers!
Smashers!
Thunderbones has been attacking me for too long. It's time to bring the monster truck Mayhem to his front door.
Looks like they knew we were coming.
Thunderbones! I'm calling you out!
All rise from your graves for your undead champion, the demonic driver of the haunted boneyard, P.T. Thunderbones!
Show off. So, Trump wants to call me out. Let's see what he thinks of the lunatic loop.
lunatic loop is a flying trick challenge. Trucks drop down the devilish dive, gain speed through the lunatic loop, then launch off the raging ramp to land epic aerial stunts. Thunderbones, you're up first.
You can't beat me, Chump! I've got the power of ghoul gas!
Thunderbones starts off with a boneyard favorite, the Green Demon Flaming Backflip. Perfect times for Thunderbones. Chump does some sort of boring flaming dragon wing barrel roll. The judges aren't going to like that.
What? That was a great stunt. They're cheating, Chump.
Thunderbones goes for his second jump.
Okay, Scalatruck, time for the Wicked Web Spinner!
This crowd has never seen a trick like this. Skeletruck has sprouted spider legs and is crushing this challenge in his web of destruction.
Abandon all hope, Dino Punk! Scalatruck, flip the serpent switch!
What perilous python?
Racing dirty, huh? I think it's time we used the horn.
The horn? Are you sure, Chump?
Beep, beep.
I can't believe it! Chump's horrendous horn has broken the moon! Awful asteroids are hurtling toward the stadium! And now he's jumping from Space Rock to Space Rock! I can't believe it! Chump truly brought the house down! And the judges have turned it up to 11! Chump and the Regosaurus Rex created the most monster truck mayhem! Chump wins!
That's some horn, Rex.
Wait till you see my turn signals.
Smashers!
What? A toll booth? When did they put this in?
There shouldn't be any toll booths in Truckopolis. Toll booth? They've got to pay for road construction somehow, but I hate it. Very suspicious.
Uh-oh, you guys are right. It's a trap.
Whoa! Dirty trick! No fair!
Holy blazing terror train.
That train just swallowed our rides! After that train!
Whoopee! This is fun! Friendship!
Hey, roadkill rat! We need those dirt bikes!
Chump, you better bring those bikes back in one piece! Sorry, it's important Smashers business.
We'll take good care of them, I swear. We've got a train to catch.
Jump onto the train!
Get off my train, you boneheaded bandits!
You stole our monster trucks and we're not stopping until we get them back!
Who's that train conductor? He sounds familiar.
Whoever he is, he's in serious trouble. Ah! Thunderbones! Look out!
Ah! We're going into a tunnel! Ah! Touch my flipper! Watch it!
Looks like we lost them.
Woohoo!
I'll get you, Smashers!
Ah! We're going to get that evil train conductor as soon as we figure out who he is.
For now, we've derailed his plans.
Smashers!
Max Antifreeze reporting live from the Aqua Arena at the starting line of the Castaway Classic Cup.
That cup is as good as mine.
I'm here with Toot Dasher. He's the top truck driver in today's race. Because surprisingly, Chump T-Rex is nowhere in sight. That overgrown turkey must have chickened out. And I had nothing to do with it, I swear.
Chump, wake up! We're late for the race!
Ah! Somebody turned off my alarm clock! Let's go!
Missing the Custom Cup is bad news for Chump. It's a qualifying event for the biggest monster truck competition of them all, Monster Truck Mayhem! This Sunday at the Smash-O-Dome!
With both Chump and Thunderbones out of the race, I'll win easy! Hey! I might beat you. Have you seen your stats, Turmoil? You're the worst in the league. Nuh-uh. Trophus is worse than me.
Yeah, me win race. Me fast, you losers.
This race will be a piece of seaweed cake.
Monster Trucks, are you ready? Get set, go!
I'll be waiting at the finish line for you, slowpokes! Shortcut!
Why him got shortcuts? Tooth Dasher knows the Castaway Cup course better than any driver.
Out of my way!
What was that? It was Chump.
Chump has entered the race! He started late, but he's coming up on Tooth Dasher fast!
Curse you, Chump! You made it to the race even with your alarm clock sabotaged. Try my shark tooth spike strip. Whoa! Careful, Rex! Those teeth will tear up our tires! Yes! I'm ahead of Tooth Gnasher! I wouldn't celebrate yet. My shell shooter shell out seashells by the seashore. You can shell it out, but can you take the shellac attack? Say hello to my little shell. Ah! Tidal wave power up! Whoa! Tidal wave power! What's going to happen? Who's gonna win? We'll have to find out next episode. Huh?